Features of mass communication. Communication is perhaps one of the most defined terms in contemporary media and cultural studies. Group communication has now been extended by the tools of mass communication: books, the cinema, radio, television, video, and the internet. Mass communication is generally identified with these modern mass media, but it must be noted that these media are processed and must not be mistaken for the phenomenon of communication itself. In turn, mass communication and mass media are inappropriate in context of developing society. The mass media reach people in the societies, though increasing number are acquiring access with every passing decade. Mass communication is a process through which a message is widely circulated among the people who are far away from the source. Mass communication can be identified through the following features. Wide and vast area. Mass communication covers wide and vast area to operate. It covers a country, the whole world too. The world is becoming smaller due to the operation of mass media. Audience. The audience of mass communication is not only large in number but also are different in terms of age, sex, religion, race, culture, etc. Distance between source and destination. Receivers of mass communication are detached and separate from the original source or sender by a long distance. No question of discrimination. Although the receivers of mass communication are subject for all, there are no discrimination regarding delivery of message. There is equal opportunity for all. Professional communication. The sender of mass communication is professional communicator. They use various communication channels to attain their purposes. Absence of feedback. This is not like a two-way communication. Absence of feature in mass communication make it unique and give a shape from other shapes of communication. Feedback is essential to make the communication. Here in mass communication, feedback is absent. There may be sometimes poor response from the receiver. Intermediate channels. In mass communication, various types of intermediate channels are used to transmit a message to the receiver. Such channels are radio, television, newspaper, etc. The message of such communication is made available to the public. The person who has the availability to bear the cost of respective medium, such as radio, television, newspaper, internet, etc., can receive the message. Technology. Such communication has a dependency on the use of technology. At least one or more than one machine is used for the purpose of mass communication to produce and transfer the public message. Freedom. The audience of mass communication are independent in respect of receiving the message. They have the freedom to choose what paper to read, what program to watch, what movie to see, and which voice to listen.